trip to Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan has ended. We found ourselves again at the Gilgit Airport for our flight back to Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. We also returned our foreigner registration card before departing.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Every day is a new beginning, every day is a gift to hold up high. Everyone has a weight to carry, everyone has a soul, so let it shine.
Our first stop in Islamabad was the Faisal Mosque. It is located in the foothills of Margala and is perfectly visible from afar. The design of the mosque is modernist, and the structure of the mosque resembles a Bedouin tent. The architect of the mosque is Vedat Dalukay from Turkey. At the corners of the mosque are 4 minarets of 79 meters each. The main prayer hall and courtyard is said to hold around 100,000 worshippers. The construction of the mosque began in 1976 with the money of the Saudi oil king and magnate King Faisal bin Abdul Aziz, in whose honor it was named. The construction of the beautiful mosque was completed in 1986, and it became one of the most spacious in the world at that time.
Мы находимся сейчас во второй точке в Исламабаде, это Saidpur Village, это старая деревня, которую подарил когда-то этому самому своей дочке Саид хан. Ну и это была жена Джахангира, того самого из великих моголов. Ну ее подретушировали тут и показывают туристам, потому что в современном Исламабаде не так много чего интересного есть. Поэтому вот, собственно говоря, мы приближаемся к основным точкам этого места. А конкретно это индийские и сикхские храмы, восстановленные в 2006 году на деньги благотворительных и на благотворительные взносы. Вот здесь дружба Китая и Пакистана.
Daman-e-Koh is a viewing point in the middle of the Margala Hills. This hilltop garden offers a panoramic view of Islamabad's Faisal Mosque and the 7th Avenue, which is a signal-free road. The Pakistan Monument is a national monument constructed between 2004 to 2007 to symbolize the unity of the peoples of Pakistan. The monument is composed of 4 large petals representing the 4 major cultures in Pakistan, namely the Baluchi, the Pakhtun, the Punjabi, and the Sindhi. There are also 3 smaller petals representing Pakistan's minorities. The star-shaped black granite represent the people who sacrificed their life for Pakistan.
Отсюда открывается потрясающий вид на город Исламабад в лучах уходящего солнца. На закусочку вам видок отсюда, вот цветочки, и видно город Исламабад сверху.
Gonna send the blues right on their way.